Weather First meteorologist David Holtman joins us now. And David, that summer heat, it really came out swinging today. It was intense. It was like 90, it's 95?
96 in Iowa City.
gosh.
It was record breaking in some places,
crazy.
especially down towards the south. 96 tied for the record here in Iowa City. 93 in Cedar Rapids. That's ties for our warmest day of the year, which was back in July. The difference between July and now is we haven't had that intense humidity like we had back then. Other places, Waterloo, Dubuque, seeing highs around the upper 80s and the middle 90s. Temperatures have thankfully dropped off a bunch from where we were this afternoon. 78 in Cedar Rapids right now, 75 in Decorah. Iowa City, you're still our warm spot at 83 degrees. We've been tracking the chance of a shower or storm, especially as we get to the early parts of the evening, but now it looks like all the storms and showers won't occur at least until the morning. All of the activity seems to be pushing all off to our west. Eventually we'll also that move into our area, especially once we go into tomorrow morning and into days of next week as well. Going through tonight, we'll keep those cloudy skies around. They'll continue to build from the west. And overall, we won't drop those temperatures too much. We'll only get down to about 68, 67. Won't be too cool out there, so you might need to keep the windows shut, might need to keep the AC on if you're going throughout the rest of your evening. Predictor does show that we are kind of battling with the front, and it does try and pop up some of those storms that I was talking about in the early morning hours. Especially the further west you are, the better chance you are of seeing those isolated showers or storms. These shouldn't ruin your day. These shouldn't be a complete washout. Just an isolated shower would be mostly it. Eventually we'll get through Monday and we'll have a little break on Tuesday. We can't completely rule out any rain chances, but it's going to be rinse, wash, repeat. Once we get to Wednesday, just another round of isolated showers and storms once we get later on into the day. Again, this individual events won't be a washout, but we'll see multiple rounds of isolated showers and storms over the next 7 days. That could bring in total up to about an inch of rain in some places if you get under a couple of those showers and storms. So that's something to be advised of if you have plans for the next couple of days. On to the next week, we'll see this low pressure system out over our west will keep pushing its way closer and closer, and you notice there's an associated cold front with that. That'll start bringing those temperatures down. It'll also bring us a more increased chance of rainfall once we get to Friday. The cool front will make it a lot cooler, but will still be about a bit warmer than normal, about 2 to 3 degrees above normal for where we should be this time of year. Again, the average temperature is about 73, so we'll be about 75, 76 once we get to the rest of the week. But you'll see, we'll keep those 80s around until that cold front comes Thursday, Friday. That's when we start experiencing those 70s and closer to fall-like weather.